So here is your SEO audit. We're going to start out by using a tool called Moz. Your domain authority is 5. Domain authority is how high Google has you according to their search rankings out of 100. Linking root domains is 25. That's how many sites are linking back to your website. And then 10 ranking keywords. Moving on to your keywords, let's look at your rankings. So you rank number 3 for supplement tracking spreadsheet. Camel socks, you rank number 6. How to track supplement usage, number 9. Functional medicine lab report sample is 14. Naturopathic doctor near Sacramento, that's a great keyword, is 26. Functional medicine Sacramento is 28. And naturopathic doctor, spelled wrong, Sacramento, California, is 31. So your rankings aren't high, but here's the good news. Traditional SEO is dying. I made a video in the Amazon called Brutal Weary. This plant became top a page of YouTube for this search. I got about 280 views in the shorts in a very short amount of time. And now it's going to always be on first page. Domain authority is 5 and your ranking keywords are 10. Using the ranking keywords that you have, create content based on those ranking keywords. Your top pages by link, your page authority ranks from 15 to 11. I'm a data analyst, so I like to use a multiplicity of sources. So here we have a different set of keywords. Again, you want to use these keywords in your YouTube videos that have the lowest KD according to the difficulty. But if you just stick with that one metric, it's not going to help you. So you really want to go in depth, and we're going to use a second tool called vidIQ to go over these keywords. Your authority score is 6, and your organic search traffic has gone down by 25% in the month. From February 6th to 26th, your traffic was about 9 views. It went down to 8 on the 27th and 28th. And now in the month of March, it's gone down to 6. Good news is your Instagram analytics are doing good. You have 466 followers, 4,577 views on your SIBO test, 3,657 views on your lab video. What you want to do is create content based on these lab videos. And then in the video, you want to add a call to action. Something like, in my description, you can access our lab test, or we have the SIBO test in the description. As well as you're going to migrate the video that you make in YouTube, the one you take from Instagram, and implement it into YouTube. And you want to put that on the website itself. And again, adding that CTA there can help to drive traffic. Because Google search is dropping due to AI and the myriad of AI tools, you want to integrate content on the second biggest search engine, which is YouTube. You want to use YouTube SEO tools like vidIQ and other tools to help you with keyword research. And then in the video, SEO is very simple. You want to put the name of your key phrase, something unique, like maybe the name of your business, or we'll use vidIQ to come up with a spreadsheet, to come up with titles for your videos. You want to implement that key phrase 2 to 3 times in the video description on YouTube. You're going to migrate those high-performing videos that are on your Instagram to YouTube. That's because YouTube has a larger reach. Finally, you're going to create video content based upon your ranking keywords, and you want to create content on your lab test and supplements, adding a CTA to purchase the lab test in your bio. This will help to build backlinks, as well as adding a verbal CTA to get these lab tests done with you.
Subscribe if you learned something new.